Hello everybody, and welcome back. I am in Roblox right now, and as you can see, it's a Five Nights at Freddy's game in Roblox. I hate Five Nights at Freddy's. I hate everything. Sorry about that. Can you hear some? Alright. So, I hate Five Nights at Freddy's games. But I see YouTubers play them, and it looks funny. So I thought maybe it'll be nice for me to play. So, yeah. Oh shoot, it's bigger than I thought. Alright, I'll be back real quick. I'll be back. Sorry about that, guys. I had to adjust the camera so you can see everything I am seeing on this, so. Here again. Ooh, Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, blah, 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 blah. You have to stay 12 to 6 a.m. This is really good, okay? This is a good game. Well, it looks good. Looks like a good game. Night shift. Ooh. See that at 12 a.m. Oh, hey. What am I using? Oh, that's terrible. Okay, can hit. Oh, I thought Freddy was gone. I am so sorry. It's just not dark out here. It's dark in the game. I don't know how to. I can't edit. Check everything. Pirates Cove. Fox, you better not get out of there, man. Camera display. Audio only. What? Restroom. Oh, I don't want to look at girls. Okay. Let's not use all the power. Just the lights. See what it looks like. Oh, that fan is actually moving. It's so awesome. Show stage. Dining room. Check on Pirates Cove again. I don't think. Does Foxy go on the first night? I always thought Foxy won't go on the first night. So it's still 12 a.m. I can see it, but I don't know if you can. Oh, you can. It's like blocking my screen, but I did not edit this. Like the 12 a.m. I did not edit this. It's part of the game, so I'm just gonna move this down. But it doesn't block the game. Oh wait, I forgot. Chica's gone. Chica's It's 1 a.m. Okay. I hate this so much. Chica's right there. Pirates Cove. No, that's not Pirates Cove. Right there. Oh shoot. Oh my word! There's Bonnie! Bonnie and Chica's right here. Okay, Freddy's being a good boy. He's being a good bear. One more here. So if you see that flashy screen. Okay, I hate this. If I get a jump scare, I'm gonna fly back. Okay? They're just staying there staring at the camera. I don't like it. I hate this! Park Cove. Good. Restrooms, audio only. Kitchen is audio only. Okay. I don't want to use all my power. Because I know. Run out! Freddy just kills you! I don't want to die. Okay. There. Still there. It's still 1 a.m. Stop! Go to 2 a.m. already! I hate this! I'm just prepared to get jump scared right now. She's gone! She's gone! Chica! Oh, shoot. Where's Chica gone? Where'd Chica go? Chica's not there. Bonnie's still there, but... Oh, shoot! Oh, she's not there, but... Oh, shoot! Oh! Where did Chica go? Here, three. I don't see her there. Oh, I hate this. Freddy's still there. Go! Go back to where he's was a goal. What's going on there? East Hall. Kitchen audio only. I hate this! Not 2 a.m. Oh my word, I'm not gonna be able to get to 6. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! No. 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 Where are these? There's Bonnie, but where's Chica? Chica's there. Oh, okay, she's there. I literally didn't know where Chica went. So Bonnie, Chica, and Freddy. Let me check Pirates Cove. Pirates Cove is still closed. Okay, I'm at 52%. 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Okay. 3 more hours before my shift is over. I hate everything about this. Light. East Hall. No movement. No detectable movement. No detectable movement. Wait, 47%. Oh my word. Power goes down really fast. Shoot! Chica. Oh shoot! East Hall! Chica's there. Bonnie's gone. I'm just gonna door it. Door! Okay. Still there. Freddy's still there, okay. I see Chica! She's right there! Oh, you little butt. Oh, nuts! I see you! I hate this game! Is she gone? Freddy, she get there. Turn on. Go. Oh my word. Freddy's still there, okay. Alright. No detectable movement. Oh my word. 31%. 4 a.m. 2 more hours. But not in real life, just in game. Park Cove. Oh shoot! Bonnie! Bonnie's there! I hate this game! I hate this! So Bonnie's there. Chica's gone! Chica is gone. I think she's in the kitchen. Door it. Okay. Bonnie's still there. Shoot. I hate this game so bad. Oh. Okay. Oh, go away, Bonnie. Oh. Go. 18%. Where'd Chica go? Chica's there. Oh shoot. 5 a.m. Turn to 6! 6 a.m. Please! Please! Oh, the light's on. Is this a light's on or something? I don't know what's on. Oh my word, 13%. Go to 6! Go! Go! I can't do this. Okay. Chica's there. Bonnie's there. I have to keep both doors closed. And Freddy's just chilling. Gone. Gone. Where are they? Tell me they're in dining room. They are. Door! Door! I'm safe! Particle! Wait. Oh my word, turn to 6! Turn to 6! Please! No, that could have been. Why does that keep happening? Oh my word, turn to 6! Yes! 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 6 a.m. Oh my word. Now night 2. Oh, I hate that game. Oh, comment down below. No, comment. If this can get to 2 likes, I will continue this game. Yes, 2. I'm saying a lot because that was so scary. Hate it. Oh. But, alright. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I sure didn't because that was terrifying. So that's it for now. Hopefully, don't forget to give this a like. Like I said, if this can get to 2 likes, I will continue. Don't worry about that, that's my sister. So, okay. Don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, that's it for now. So bye!